Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping fruit and tools so the work flows. Wash and dry everything, then chill the mixing bowl briefly to slow juice runoff. Once done, pull out a sharp knife and a stable cutting board. You need control for uniform pieces. Cut larger fruits first into manageable sections, removing cores or seeds as you go, because working from big to small reduces squashing. Make sure to leave some texture variety. Cubes, slices, and bite-sized wedges for balanced mouthfeel. You now assemble fruit with attention to texture and acidity so flavors blend without collapsing. Start by cutting everything to similar bite size, reserving one firm fruit like apple or pear to keep structure. Next, mix a light citrus dressing, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime per 4 cups of fruit, to both brighten and prevent browning. Then toss in stages. Place dense fruits in the bowl first, add softer berries last, and fold gently so juices coat, without turning the salad into mush. You finish the salad with small, deliberate touches so it serves beautifully. Once tossed, add a teaspoon of honey or a tablespoon of yogurt if you want creaminess. Herbs like mint add freshness. Always taste and adjust. Chill the salad 15 to 30 minutes to let flavors meld, and stir once before plating. If excessive juice forms, make sure to strain off some liquid and, if needed, sprinkle a light dusting of cornstarch mixed into a splash of citrus to gently thicken. That fixes sogginess.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.